Hello everybody! In this video I'll be showing you how to make modaks in two different ways. One of them is steamed and the other one is fried. So first of all I'll be talking about the filling. You need grated coconut, jaggery, fennel seeds, cardamom and ghee. Take a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it's hot, add some fennel seeds and some cardamom seeds. Cook until it leaves the flavor. Then add about 2 tablespoons of jaggery for 1 coconut. You can use sugar as well. Once the jaggery is molten, add in the coconut and thoroughly mix this. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden. So now I'll be talking about the fried modaks. I'm taking 1 cup of wheat flour, adding in 1 pinch of salt and a little bit of ghee. Now I'll be kneading this dough. Add in water as required. I have also added jaggery for a sweet dough. Make the dough soft and stretchy. Roll out the dough like rotis. Make it thin so that it will be crispy after we fry it. Now after you have rolled it, use a small katori to make round shapes like puris. Remove the excess flour. Now I'll be showing you how to make modak shape using your own hands. If you have a mold, go ahead and use it. Place some filling in the center of the round dough and now start pressing the edges over the top. This might take a little bit of practice, but it's really easy. This will form a peak over the top of the modak. Now just gently twist it. This is your modak. Shape your modaks first, all of them, and then we'll fry it. For frying, I'm using ghee. You can use oil as well. Take a deep kadai and add some ghee into it. Wait until it's hot enough. And then add in the modaks. Stir in between so that it doesn't burn. And once it's golden brown, remove it into a tissue paper. This is the final product. So for the steamed modaks, in a pan add some ghee, about 1 tablespoon, and then add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. We'll bring this to a boil. After that, add in 1 cup of rice flour. You use equal amounts of rice flour and water. Stir it continuously. Now this might look a little bit of dry right now, but we are going to need it anyway. So after it's cooled down, add some ghee and add water according to requirement and knead this into a soft dough. When the dough is ready, make small balls out of it. Add in a little bit of oil in your palm so that it doesn't stick, and then press it flat. Now again we'll place a little bit of filling in the center. And then press in the edges. This will again form a peak over the top. Give it a nice shape using your fingers. Now for the classic modak look, I'm going to use a spoon and apply small ridges, oblique ridges around the peak. A little life hack for shaping the modaks. So our beautiful shape is ready. Now you can steam it in a steamer. I'm using a makeshift steamer. I've put some water in a kadhai and put in an inverted bowl over which I'm placing the plate containing the modaks, and I'll cover the lid and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is how it looks. So this is the final product. I hope you all like it. If you have tried this at your home, I would love to see your photos. See you next time.